Jai Swaminarayan, Standard 2nd, Subject Science. Lesson number 13, Festivals of Different People. Thought of the Day. Welcome each day with a warm smile and thank God for bringing you new thoughts and strengths. Meaning. एक मुस्कान के साथ प्रत्येक दिन का स्वागत करना है और हमें नए विचार और ताकत देने के लिए भगवान का धन्यवाद करना है. So children, let's start festivals of different people. In India, different people celebrate different festivals. On festival days, people from neighborhood greet one another and spend time in celebrations. Janmashtami. People celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna by fasting and singing bhajans and songs. The day after, this is celebrated as Daihandi. Youngsters from a human pyramid to break the handi to get the goddess inside. Onam. Onam is an important festival of Kerala. It is a harvest festival celebrated in August or September. Boat racing is the most important event of this festival. These boats are called chandans or snake boats. Around the temples, elephants are decorated and taken out in procession. Navroz. Nav means new. Rose means day, new day. It is a new day festival of the Parsis. They wear new clothes and visit the fire temple. They wish one another Sal Mubarak. Durga Puja. This 10-day festival is widely celebrated in West Bengal. Idols of goddess Durga are set up in pandals for 9 days. On the 10th day, the idols are immersed in rivers or lakes. Durga Puja is celebrated as Navratri in other part of India. In North India, it is celebrated to remember Lord Rama's victory over Ravana. Effigies of the demon king Ravana are burned on the 10th day, which is called Dashera or Vijayadashmi. In southern and western India, the Navratri festival is devoted to goddess Amba. In western India, community dance called Ras Garba or Dandiya Ras are organized.